What's the price?
What's the price?
What's the price?
I'll get back to you on that.
I'll get back to you on that.
I'll get back to you on that.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
That's a tough question.
That's a tough question.
That's a tough question.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
That's impressive.
That's impressive.
That's impressive.
How was your night?
How was your night?
How was your night?
I don't have an answer for that.
I don't have an answer for that.
I don't have an answer for that.
Well, I must be going.
Well, I must be going.
Well, I must be going.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
I'm sorry I can't stay long.
I'm sorry I can't stay long.
I'm sorry I can't stay long.
How about we try this?
How about we try this?
How about we try this?
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
Everybody knows that.
Everybody knows that.
Everybody knows that.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
Possibly.
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 You can put it anywhere.
You can put it anywhere.
You can put it anywhere.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
Perhaps.
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 I've made my decision.
I've made my decision.
I've made my decision.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it.
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
How did things turn out?
How did things turn out?
How did things turn out?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
Say that again.
Say that again.
Say that again.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care. What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
For sure.
For sure.
For sure.
Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you exercise regularly?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
No way.
No way.
No way.
I'll be busy next week.
I'll be busy next week.
I'll be busy next week. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
That's insane.
That's insane.
That's insane.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
What's your favorite restaurant?
What's your favorite restaurant?
What's your favorite restaurant?
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Am I making myself clear?
Am I making myself clear?
Am I making myself clear?
How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
How do you like your coffee?
How do you like your coffee?
How do you like your coffee? That's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
Don't raise your voice.
Don't raise your voice.
Don't raise your voice.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
That's absurd.
That's absurd.
That's absurd.
Has something happened?
Has something happened?
Has something happened?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
I see.
I see.
I see.
You can't have it both ways.
You can't have it both ways.
You can't have it both ways. What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you married?
I understand.
I understand.
I understand.
I have an idea.
I have an idea.
I have an idea.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Do you have any children?
Do you have any children?
Do you have any children?
We must keep calm.
We must keep calm.
We must keep calm.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
What's your favorite TV show?
What's your favorite TV show?
What's your favorite TV show?
Got it.
Got it.
Got it.
I'll see you next Wednesday.
I'll see you next Wednesday.
I'll see you next Wednesday.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Sure thing.
Sure thing.
Sure thing.
I'll be back at 6 o'clock.
I'll be back at 6 o'clock.
I'll be back at 6 o'clock.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Why now?
Why now?
Why now?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
Do you have any plans for the summer?
Do you have any plans for the summer?
Do you have any plans for the summer?
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
I like the way you look.
I like the way you look.
I like the way you look.
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
Have you ever been to a concert?
Have you ever been to a concert?
Have you ever been to a concert?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I have a lot to do today.
I have a lot to do today.
I have a lot to do today.
Do you like sports?
Do you like sports?
Do you like sports?
What's your favorite band?
What's your favorite band?
What's your favorite band?
I'll pass.
I'll pass.
I'll pass.
Were you out last night?
Were you out last night?
Were you out last night?
What's your favorite book?
What's your favorite book?
What's your favorite book?
Do you like to dance?
Do you like to dance?
Do you like to dance?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
I have a surprise for you.
I have a surprise for you.
I have a surprise for you.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
Have you ever been skydiving?
Have you ever been skydiving?
Have you ever been skydiving?
You didn't need to hurry.
You didn't need to hurry.
You didn't need to hurry.
It's really hot or cold today.
It's really hot or cold today.
It's really hot, cold today.
What's your favorite holiday?
What's your favorite holiday?
What's your favorite holiday?
Count me in.
Count me in.
Count me in.